Hello, good day. How are you today? You're good, right? Okay. Are you ready for today's lesson? You are? That is good. Today in basic technology, we are going to be looking at plants. Okay? Our topic for today in basic technology is on plants. Are you ready for the lesson? Okay, so first we are going to be looking at the meaning of plants. Plants are living things that are essential for life on Earth. They provide us with oxygen, which we need to breathe, and they are a crucial part of the food chain. Plants give us fruits, vegetables, and grains that we eat, and they provide a home for many animals. They also make our surroundings beautiful. Do we understand? Plants are living things that help us in many ways. They give us oxygen to breathe, yummy fruits and vegetables to eat, and make our surroundings look pretty. I'm sure we know plants, right? Okay, that is good. So we're going to be looking at parts of a plant, okay? What are the parts of a plant? We have the roots. The roots anchor the plant in the soil. They hold the plant in the ground, okay? Absorb water and nutrients from the soil. The roots drink water and eat nutrients from the soil. So they hold the plant in the ground and also drink water and eat nutrients from the soil, okay? Do we understand? Another part of the plant we have the stem. The stem supports the plant, keeps the plant standing up, okay? Transports water, nutrients, and sugars. It carries water, food, and nutrients. So the stem keeps the plant standing up and carries water, food, and nutrients. Do we understand that? Another part of the plants we have leaves. The leaves capture sunlight for photosynthesis. They catch sunlight to make food. Okay? Release oxygen into the air. The leaves release oxygen into the air. Okay? We also have flowers. Another part of a plant is flowers. Attract pollinators, play a key role in plant reproduction. The flowers attract pollinators, attract bees, butterflies, and it also helps make seeds for new plants. Okay? And we also have fruits. Another part of a plant is the fruits. The fruits develop from flowers. They grow from flowers, okay? They also contain seeds for new plant growth. They have seeds inside for making more plants. So these are the parts of a plant, okay? We mentioned the root. This is the root. We mentioned the stem. This is the stem. We also mentioned the leaves. These are the leaves, okay? Leaves. Then we mentioned flower. This is the flower. And we mentioned the fruits. These are the fruits, okay? These are the fruits. Do we understand? So we now know the parts of a plant, right? We do, right? We said the roots, they hold the plant in the ground, drink water and eat nutrients from the soil, right? And we said the stem keeps the plant standing up, carries water and food and nutrients, right? Then the leaves, they catch sunlight to make food and also release oxygen into the air, right? Then the flowers attract bees and butterflies. They attract pollinators, okay? And help make seeds for new plants. Then we have the fruits. The fruits, they grow from the flower and they also have seeds inside for making more plants. Do we understand? Good. So next we're going to be looking at the characteristics of plants. Characteristics of plants. Plants have special things that make them unique, okay? Photosynthesis. Plants make their own food by using sunlight. And chlorophyll in leaves helps in this process, okay? So plants make their own food from sunlight. That is one of the special things that make them unique. Okay? Good. Cell walls. Plant cells have rigid cell walls for structure and support. Okay? Plant cells have sturdy walls for support. Strong walls. Life cycle. Plants go through stages like germination, growth, reproduction, and death. Okay, life steps. And plants go through stages like growing, making seeds, and then starting again. Do you understand? Roots and absorption. Roots anchor the plant and absorb water and nutrients from the soil. Roots help plants get water and food from the soil. Okay? Reproduction. Plants reproduce through seeds, spores, or runners. Flowers and fruits are often involved in the reproductive process. So plants make new plants through seeds, spores, or runners. So these are the special things that make them unique. Okay? The characteristics of plants. So next we're going to be looking at understanding plant growth. Understanding plant growth means knowing how plants get bigger and what they need to thrive, okay? Do we understand that? Cell division. Plants grow by increasing the number of cells through cell division. Okay? Getting bigger. Plants grow by making more cells. Elongation. Cells in stems and roots elongate. making the plant taller and allowing roots to reach deeper into the soil. Stretching out. Stems and roots get longer, making the plant taller. Okay? Factors influencing growth. Sunlight, water, nutrients, and care affect plant growth. Observing changes in size and appearance helps understand growth. Plants need sunlight, water, and good care to grow well. Do we understand? Good. Life cycle stages. Plants go through stages like germination, where seed begins to sprout, and growth continues through various phases. Life stages. Plants have different stages, starting from a tiny seed to a full-grown plant. So we knowing this helps us know how plants get bigger and healthier, right? Okay, that is good. So we are going to be looking at ways plants reproduce. Ways plants reproduce. How they make new babies, okay? How they make new plants. How the plants reproduce. Seeds. Many plants produce seeds for reproduction. Seeds can be dispersed by wind, water, animals, or through human activities. So many plants use seed to reproduce, okay? Many plants make seeds for new plants, and these seeds can travel by wind, water, or animals, also by human activities, okay? Another way plants reproduce, spores. Some plants, like ferns and mosses, reproduce through spores. Spores are tiny reproductive cells that can grow into new plants. Okay? So some plants like ferns use tiny spores to grow new plants. Spores can be like magic dust for plant reproduction. Another way plants reproduce, runners. Certain plants, like strawberries, send out runners that grow into new plants. This is a form of asexual reproduction. Okay? So certain plants like strawberries send out runners which grow into new plants. It's like making plant copies. Do we get that? So these are the ways plants reproduce. Okay? We now know the way plants reproduce, right? Seeds, spores, and runners. This way, they make new plants. Do we understand? Good. So today's lesson on plants, we understood everything, right? We looked at the meaning of plants, parts of plants, characteristics of plants, understanding plant growth, and ways plants produce, right? And we understood everything. Okay, that is good. So next we're going to be looking at our assignments. I'm sure we're going to be able to do our assignment, right? Okay, good.